Dekor Mini Diaper Pail Refills. Most economical refill by Dekor is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 600 newborn diapers. Simply cut the refill with the kid-safe cutter located inside the access door, discard, and tie a new knot in the remaining bag. Each Dekor refill is one long continuous liner with no preset perforations or size, which means you can empty as often as you want, whether it's after one particularly stinky change, or when the pail is totally stuffed, and use only what you need. Emptying the pail is super easy. Dekor mini refills are made of 20% recycled materials, a mixture of post-consumer and commercial, and infused with a pleasing baby powder scent that helps neutralize odors. Use with Dekor Mini hands-free diaper pail. No preset perforations or bag size. Empty as often as you want, use only as much refill as needed. New end-of-liner marking, helpful reminder before you run out. Fresh powder scent helps neutralize odors. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 600 newborn diapers.